Well, Polaris has been on United since the beginning of last year. The soft product has been overwhelmingly well received by our customers as we've gone and reinvented the business class product in the international flying of United. It's been warmly received. It's been warmly received because we've gone and reinvented it. We've gone and focused on what's important to our customer, and they've come back and told us they want to have a night's rest, they want to have good quality product on board, both in terms of the wines and drinks that they have, the food that they consume. They want to have the opportunity to eat beforehand, and our Polaris lounges, which are now being rolled out across our US hubs, are opening. Chicago's open, Houston and New York will be open, and Newark will be open by the time we've hit peak summer, and it's rolling out across the rest of the network. So it's a product that starts long before you get on board the aeroplane. On board the aeroplane, we're trying to give you what you need, a chance to recharge using Fifth Avenue bedding and cowshed material in your wash bag. Everything there is to try and help you have a good night's rest. We've now got some 20-odd aeroplanes that are flying with the new Polaris seat, which is an independent aisle access, a business class seat. It has everything you would expect in terms of creature comforts, from a 6'6" live flat bed, your ability to go and access an aisle wherever you're seated across the cabin, and it has a complete new look, a new United look, which will run down the length of the aeroplane. We're already seeing it spottily come into Heathrow. There are lines where that aeroplane is dedicated, significant routes in the Pacific. We're seeing it in Israel, we're seeing it out of Frankfurt now, and we'll see it progressively come out of Heathrow on lines of flying on our 17 flights a day.